Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs transfer news as Kaizer Chiefs reaches an agreement with Ime Ocon, the latest on Sipho Mbule, and Mhleli Mabuza returns to Kaizer Chiefs for preseason. We are going to talk about that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's start with Ime Ocon, who is set to sign for Kaizer Chiefs. This is according to Kickoff. This report says sources indicate that Amakosi outpaced Orlando Pirates to the services of the lanky defender, who was born in Johannesburg to a South African mother and a Nigerian father. It appears that the Naturena-based side have already reached an agreement with the 21-year-old. Kickoff news are not always accurate, no, I have to say, but they're a big platform and they do get it right at times. And this was not a difficult deal, I have to say. Ime Ocon's contract is coming to an end at the end of this current month. So he's going to come for free, so it's not a difficult deal. And apparently Kaizer Chiefs are his childhood favorite club. So he was there for checking, mate. He was there for checking. I've already discussed Ime Ocon. Great talent. I'd like to see him at Kaizer Chiefs, So, yeah, I am very happy with this news. If they are true, we'll have to see in the upcoming weeks, days, in fact, because the team has to travel to Netherlands next week, if I'm not mistaken. And if he has signed for Kaizer Chiefs, then he should be on the flight to Netherlands. He should be joining the rest of the squad in the Netherlands for preseason. But as we all know, Orlando Pirates were interested in him, and 2 European teams were interested, So that's why it's a bit difficult, to believe this story. But then let's see what happens in the upcoming days. Now let's move to Sipho Mbule. The story is also coming from Kickoff. It says Chiefs are considering Sipho Mbule, definitely. They are currently evaluating the risk of signing him. There is no decision yet, but they acknowledge 100% that he's a big talent. They are now looking at the pros and cons. Obviously, the boy has disciplinary issues. It's 50-50 at this point. They might or they might not. Mate, Kaizer Chiefs would just take a decision. Like, I'm tired of all these stories, every day there's a story now. Fake news, Kaizer Chiefs are going to sign Mbule, Kaizer Chiefs are not going to sign Mbule, this and that, this and that. Kaizer Chiefs should just take a decision, mate. As I've said before, whatever decision they decide to take, I'm going to back them. Because this is a risk signing. Sipho Mbule, yes, is a big challenge. I'd like to see him at Kaizer Chiefs. If it was up to me, I was going to sign him on a 1-year contract with an option to extend. But if Kaizer Chiefs decides against signing him, I will still back them, because Mbule obviously have disciplinary issues, So I wouldn't have a problem if Kaizer Chiefs decide not to sign him. And I believe many other fans feel the same way, So Kaizer Chiefs will just take the decision, mate. And you see this man, Mike Makab, the agent of Sipho Mbule. I think one of the reasons Kaizer Chiefs are struggling to make a decision is because of Mike Makab. He has put Kaizer Chiefs on the spot. By him announcing on a public platform that Sipho Mbule has been offered to Kaizer Chiefs, he has put them under pressure. He has put the technical team and the management under pressure. Because if Kaizer Chiefs decides against signing Sipho Mbule, some fans are going to attack them. Sipho Mbule was offered to you on a silver platter. You didn't sign him. Sipho Mbule is a quality player. You decided against signing him. If they sign him and later it does not work out, why did you sign such a player? You can't sign a player with disciplinary issues, stuff like that. So Kaizer Chiefs are under pressure, mate. I think that's why they are struggling to take a decision. But then at the end of the day, a decision has to be made. Sooner or later, a decision has to be made. And time is not on our side. Because if we're going to sign Sipho Mbule, he has to join the team in the preseason, So us going around and around, it's not helping, mate. It's not helping. Kaizer Chiefs will just make it clear we are going to sign Sipho Mbule or we are not going to sign Sipho Mbule and put us out of the misery. Now, the last story is on Mhleli Mabuza. The story is according to Soccer Latuma. So Mhleli Mabuza, a left back who was on trial at Kaizer Chiefs, he has been called back for the preseason. No deal offered as of now, but he will be training with Kaizer Chiefs. And apparently, Kaizer Chiefs are facing competition from European teams, So they have to make a decision as soon as possible. But, I'm confused, man. I'm confused. I don't know what you are doing in that left back position. Because according to multiple reports, Kaizer Chiefs has signed Aphiwe Paliti. But there's no sign of Paliti at the Kaizer Chiefs village. I don't know what's happening. I don't know if maybe that story is fake or what, but there's no sign of Paliti. But because Mickey Jr., the best journalist in Africa, said Kaizer Chiefs are going to sign Paliti and he will travel with the team to Netherlands, I will say we have signed Paliti. Okay, fine. And we have signed Paseka Mako. There's Happy Mashiane there already. Bradley Cross has been converted back to the centre back, so I won't count him as a left back. And now Mhleli Mabuza, it seems like he is on Kaizer Chiefs plans. I think Kaizer Chiefs are going to offer him a contract. Then we are still pushing for Neo Rapo. So I don't know what's happening. What's the plan there? What's the plan? Yes, we all know the left back position was going to be one of the priorities in this transfer window. But it seems like we are too focused on that position. What about the striker? What about the goalkeeper? What about the winger? What about the midfielder? What about the right back? There are many positions we need to strengthen, but it seems as if we are focused on the left back position only. Because there's a possibility of 3 signings in one position. What about the other positions, mate? And again, time is not on our side. So that's it for today. Ime Ocon said to join Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs yet to make a decision on Sipho Mbule. And Mhleli Mabuza recalled to Kaizer Chiefs training. Let's see what happens in the upcoming weeks, days. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.